Up to this point, we have performed scheduled quarterly maintenance just like every other company. Now, with analytics maintenance, the whole world has changed, and I'd like to tell you about that. It all starts with AM Plan. AM Plan gives you, the building owner or property manager, complete flexibility in designing your own maintenance schedule and plan, and what tasks out of a menu that we offer best fits your budget. Last week we had some service techs up doing a maintenance contract on a church with 13 rooftop units. One of the things that they discovered on all those units is they were coming up with a low grade on their efficiency on the heating side. One of the things that we discovered through the suggestions from TPD, which we never probably would have thought of, is that the air traveling over that heat exchanger was not picking up the proper amount of heat. How do you correct that? You slow down the fan. It's something we never would have thought about. We did that for the customer, and we improved his scores several points. I mentioned a program called TPD that would generate these report cards. We felt it was very, very important for you to get a third-party verification of what we do on that roof on your equipment. It's not just a service tech coming up and telling you that piece of equipment is old, you got to repair it. If you don't know how well it's operating, you may be replacing a unit way before it's needed. These suggested repairs will do two things for you. It will improve the comfort of the occupants of your building. It will also increase the efficiency of that unit, therefore lowering your utility costs. Robbins Heating is proud to bring analytics maintenance to the Pikes Peak region. If you've never tried us on any of your work, or thought of us only as a residential service company, think about us differently. We are committed to commercial service and doing it a different and better way.